Hi, morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel today. I've just given myself the hot flannel treatment prior to lathering up. Still using this big fat brush. That's why my skin's a little bit pink. Just applied 3 sets of hot towels, as hot as you can stand it, and it really helps to prepare your beard. Prepares your beard to be butchered. Keep still. Right then. So today we've got a very affordable straight razor from an unknown maker. There's no maker's name on it, but on the blade itself there was some gold etching which had Hamburg ring on it. So I think this is the original case, going off the condition of it. This was part of a job lot. You can see evidence there of some gold etching. And when you look under, when you scrutinise it, it says Hamburg ring, which, and there's some markings there, which would suggest that it's made from Sheffield steel, and then sent to Germany to be hollow ground. And this is where you get the name Hamburg ring from. So there's no name, unknown maker, but from what I can see it's probably made from the best Sheffield steel. It's a bit like myself. It's been round the block a few times, but I've rescued it from the bin. There was a couple of razors, this is one of them, which out of this last batch. I was just going to throw them away because the blade, the handle's okay, but the blade was had quite a lot of nibbles in the edge of the cutting edge, and the front was badly damaged with rust. And one of the other blades that was in this batch was actually split at the toe end. And I was going to actually throw that in the bin, and but I left it on the side. I'll think about it. And I went back to it, and I decided I was going to grind away the toe, and then put a barber's notch in and see how we go on from there. Well, that's quite happily taken 5 days off, nice and smooth. So definitely worth saving. On first impression, when you look at these old blades, You think to yourself, well, you know, is it worth the effort? So what I do now is I get a small, shallow plastic bath, which will just about cover the blade, not the handle. And I put the blade into the shallow bath, smother it in bicarbonate of soda, and then pour boiling water on it. As I say, just the blade and not the handle, otherwise the handle will warp if you pour boiling water on it. And this will start a reaction with the metal. Lemon juice will do it as well, equally as well. But boiling water is a little bit more aggressive. And I just left this blade until all the fizzing, it reacts with the bicarbonate of soda with the metal, and it fizzes and pops. And when it stops fizzing, you lift it out, wash it under cold water. And that reveals the true condition of the blade. And after I proceeded with this, it didn't look too bad. Got a really good edge to it. So I just polished it up with some diamond paste, a little bit of sandpaper, 5000 grit, and I taped off the gold etching so the polishing wouldn't remove it. But in hindsight, it's not really left a great deal. You can see you can't really read the words, but it did say Hamburg ring. It's definitely worth saving. Because I think it'll make an ideal starter for somebody who wants to start out with a straight razor. But doesn't want to spend hundreds of pounds. perfectly shave ready, not a problem. And at 50 quid, makes a great starter razor, I think. I mean, there's probably less. There's a lot of blades on eBay, less than 50 quid. But they won't be shave ready like this. And for those of you who like to home their own razors, just out of interest, I've finished this on a 20,000 grit, oh sorry, 15,000 grit stone, and then a chrome oxide, paddle strop, and then a 0.25 diamond paste again on the paddle strop, and then stropped it, give it a good stropping on a shell hide, horse hide, and it's perfect shaver. All that 50 notes. And it's currently available in my Etsy shop. You'll be able to have a look. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'm doing some more restorations this week, so we'll have some more interesting razors to video, and the one that I mentioned before, which I'm going to cut down, I'll save that till the last. That'll take quite a bit of time to restore. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye for now.